To only allow favorite calls when the not disturb is active on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification. Tap the not disturb. Under allow during the not disturb section, tap calls and messages. Under also allow section, tap calls and then select favorite contacts only. Tap the back key to save your selection. By doing this, your phone will only allow incoming calls from your favorite contact only while the do not disturb mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.